Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Monet. So I am back with another video, as you can see. In today's video, I'm going to be curling the ends of my hair using flexi rods. Like, y'all, let's take a minute to look at my hair real quick. Like, look at it, baby. I did it myself. How it's looking. Is it giving? Is it giving? It is. I know it is. It's cute. But yeah, I'm going to be using flexi rods to curl the ends of my hair because I think it's going to be really cute. I got these orange flexi rods. Let me see. Focus, focus, focus. Okay, whatever. So I got the orange flexi rods, and this is the size 5/8. I don't really know if the size means anything. Like if I would have got a bigger one or a smaller one. I mean, I don't think so, but we finna see. I got all the flexi rods in my hair, and I got them all like different lengths because I wanted to try to do like a layered type of look. Like hopefully what I'm envisioning comes out cute. We're gonna see. So now the next step is to dip my hair in boiling hot water. Like that's very important. The water has to be boiling hot, okay? So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna let these things sit and then take them out. So girl, let's go.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know.
Okay, so this is the final look. I know it's kind of hard to see because my hoodie is dark, but that's okay. The curls are definitely curling. Like, y'all, come on. Come on, it's cute. I know. But that's all I have for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to come watch my videos. Come on, you'll love it here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.